Hey everyone, this is Evilcrossover back with another review video. And today we're reviewing a kid's water bottle, a 16-ounce Mininoo water bottle. And it's in the green lemon variant. So let's get into it. This is off of Amazon. Definitely a great price. Go check it out. And let's go see what's inside and what you get off of the money that you spent. So right off the bat, we're gonna tell that it's definitely a good price just because the box. Come on, you don't go into a big box store and see a water bottle in a box just like this. 16 ounce, like we said, premium stainless steel kids water bottle by Mininoo. And now we have the back here. So what's going on with this box? So we have vacuum insulation for the double wall to retain temperature, 18/8 stainless steel, kitchen grade, BPA-free, FDA approved, rust resistant, premium copper coating insulation. So that means it's an element for even better performance. We'll see how that goes. Sweat and burn free. Say goodbye to the coaster forever. And double power coating. So your color, your team, your style. And so we have sweat free design, 18/8 stainless steel, double walled vacuum insulated, 10% profits given away. So I guess they donate some money for every purchase, and BPA free. All right, let's dive into this. Live unboxing. That's how we do here. Oh, so right off the bat, we have some stickers. Look at these stickers. Wow. What kids don't like stickers that come in here? And look at how bright they are. That's beautiful. That's always a bonus. And then we have the straw cleaner. So this is key right here, because it's annoying to try to clean the straw. Now you have your own right in here. So that's definitely cool. And then we have the water bottle. It's in a bubble wrap, in a wrap. So there's two wrappings here so it won't get scratched up. And now look at this beautiful color. Look at this green, metallic green. The branding on the bottom, rubber on the bottom here. So you can take it off just for cleaning purposes, put it back on. And this is definitely, it won't slide all over the place. And that also helps with the, the gripping. We have the bottle here, opened up, mouth spot, and that's pretty good. Let's open it up and see what else we have in here. So we have the double wall sealed stainless steel, and we have the cup here again, flip up to drink, and we have the straw. So definitely hard to clean. So that's good that they give you that little thing there to clean it. So that's perfect for a 16-ounce bottle with this nice color and stickers and this brush to clean the straw. Wow, can't get better than that. Definitely go check them out. I'll catch y'all on the next review video.